Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how to calculate NPS. NPS in a nutshell, it is a measure in which a business uses to gauge their customer satisfaction and the likelihood of the customers recommending their product or services to other customers. So with me, I have a dummy data here, and the question on NPS usually goes like this. This is just an example. Usually goes like on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend product X to another consumer? And this is the type of data that you might collect. For example, five respondents gave it a 3, a likelihood of 3, and here you can see 11 respondents gave it a likelihood of 7, and I've converted these responses into percentages so that we can be able to calculate NPS. So without much ado, let's get to it. Okay, so NPS, if you watch my video explaining what an NPS is, you'll understand this. Make sure you watch it before watching this so that you can be on the same page. So calculating NPS, there is usually detractors, passives, and the promoters. Detractors, they're the ones who are they're not happy with their product or service, and hence they're the one who are less likely to recommend your business. Promoters, they're brand advocates, they trust your business and they're very happy with their product or service. Passives, they're just neutral, and you are most likely there's high chances you lose them to your competitors. So passives, in my view, can see them like potential customers who just need convincing. So to calculate NPS, it is usually promoters minus detractors. So you get the percentage of respondents who are promoters. So you just go to sum, and I want the promoters, this one. Enter. Then for the detractors, usually 1 to 6, like they were highlighted here. So you highlight 1 to 6, get the sum, get the sum of the detractors 1 to 6, and our NPS is going to be promoters minus detractors. So promoters minus detractors, and we have a negative NPS of negative 3.48. So a negative NPS means consumers are not likely to recommend your product or service. Hence, it is also a pointer that you need to improve, or maybe the product or service in which you're asking your question on. Maybe do a more market research and able to understand, and also maybe yes, your product needs work. Well, a positive NPS means that your customers are happy with their product or service, hence they are most likely to recommend it. If you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and also share with your friends, and I'll appreciate. Thank you. Have a nice day.